What up? Hey guys, what's up? My name is Shubhradeep Das from GasmicVids, and today we're gonna talk about thing that we regularly see among famous YouTubers like Sam Golder, Peter McKinnon, Matty Hapoya. They all use a simple trick called speed ramping, where the speed plays from normal speed and dips to slow motion and then back up. So we are going to jump right into Premiere Pro. We have two clips, and we are gonna show speed ramping in two different ways. First, we're gonna drag the clip. As you can see, the clip is already in slow motion. We're shot in 60 frames per second. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set a selecting point. We're gonna take a start point which is right around here. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna speed it back up to 240 times because that is what the normal speed of the clip was. We're gonna drag it back, and if you see, it's a nice touch to it. And I want it to end right here. I'm gonna cut here and do the same, get the speed back up to 240, and if you see, we have a speed ramp. But the problem with this is that this clip isn't very smooth or very appealing. It is not gradual, and hence I'm going to show you a different way of doing it, which is what I and most creators prefer. We are going to take a clip and we are going to come right here and click on time remapping and then speed. I'm just going to make it bigger so that you guys can see. Select P on your keyboard and click in point and out point. What you're going to do is select V on your keyboard and drag it up to 240 times, which is right around here. The same with this portion, driving it back to 240%. Yeah. If you see now, the clip is having a slow motion, but the problem is that it's not gradual yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this right here on both sides, and you're going to see that there's a small lever down there. Down here, we're going to pull this closer to the ring. The same with this, and now if we play it back, we can see now it's smoother. So that's it. That's how you speed ramp your videos, and I want to see how you guys do it. So take some B-rolls and do speed ramping on it, and tag us at GasmicVids Insta. That's our Instagram handle. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.